All right, guys, we are very excited today because we have a special guest in the Braillehouse. He's no longer here. We filmed this incredible intro with none other than Manny Santiago. And then what happened? We accidentally deleted the footage. So you could just pretend that he is right here. Wow, Manny, that was incredible. Thank you so much. You absolutely crushed it. But here is the Manny Santiago video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go.
Beautiful.
That's the worst trick.
Wow. That pop.
Fakey?
So poppy.
You know what happened? He got a reminder that free throw and 3-point game of 7, and his legs got weak.
Dude, his varial heel flips.
Oh no.
I'm trying to take advantage of the whole everything counts, but since I've never played like that, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, should I just do a wild trick? But then I'm like,
Manny, anything you do goes, man.
Okay.
You got this.
wow. Oh. I should get a letter for that because you did it better than me. I should go give myself a letter. I want to get funky, but I don't want to take no chances because he's used to doing this.
Yeah. And he cleans it up.
Am I going to be the
R.
November 5th, 3-time 2018 just Braille champ for the day?
I don't know, I haven't won one of these things.
Super undefeated?
I think I've only won one out of like
Manny,
27 at least.
One is
Manny
enough.
trick as his last trick. Find out in the next episode of Manny Dragon Ball Z.
Right.
Oh my.
Just breaking her in. We're just breaking her in. That was so sketchy. What? Yeah. The launch is sketchy because it launches you up higher, but it's fun because it's not perfect. So it takes you out of your comfort zone. Yeah. This thing has like a double purpose. I almost died. Let's go! Let's go, Luke. Let's go. Woo! No control. No control. I like what I see. That's not bad. It's just like, it's intimidating.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. It's like this was too tall, that was too short. Dang!
Yeah.
Woo!
Wow.
Realistic, real life Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Game building mode. Or course, you know when they build. Go in more. We took your idea and gave it steroids.
That's what Braille's all about.
See?
Yeah.
It's fun. It's like a video game. Did I almost hit my head? Oh my god, I felt it. I was like, oh, I didn't even think to check. There's that pinch! There's that pinch! Oh! That was thanks to Luke. He motivated me to get his back act. You know what I'm saying? Oh! Trippy chips. And I ain't talking trippy red, trippy trips. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Do we have a fourth man out here? Do we have a fourth man? Oh! Keep going, keep going.
That was too good.
Get lucky once in a while. Thanks, bro.
Aerial heel, dude. That's my guy. Bolt. Oh my. Oh! That's right. Oh, wow. You gotta go slow for the rail.
I didn't even know that was possible.
Oh my God.
Channel. I do vlogs every Sunday. It's just Manny's World, so just look up Manny's World. Fortune Skateboards is my skateboard brand, so just for the kids out there, support skater-owned companies because we love to do what we do, so if we support each other, we can always pick each other up. So it's all about picking everybody up, not putting everybody down. So positivity and love and all that good stuff.
That's what it's all about.
All right, Notification Squad, you know what to do. Hashtag Notification Squad and leave your comment below with what trick you liked best from this video. We will choose one of you and send you a prize package. La 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 la! Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below. You know, there's
And happy holidays.
All right, guys, so we are super excited to carry Manny Santiago's boards in the Braille shop right now. We have both of these graphics, so go ahead and get them because they will sell out fast.
Fetty, how was it skating with Manny?
It pushed me in ways I've never been pushed. In a good way. I skated really well.
Manny is awesome. We know that he will come back here, so
Please.
thank you, Manny. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out Manny Santiago's channel, and then also the Braille Army channel, because we did a ton of videos on the Braille Army channel with Manny, so those links will be in the description below. So go ahead and go over there, give that a subscribe. A lot of people in the comments say, you guys need to skate. There is a whole channel with nothing but just skate.
Yeah.
It's called the Braille Army channel. We also skate on here, but we skate on both.
Skate a lot of weird things on here.
Exactly. We skate a lot of weird things, and on there, we just skate these things. We are very excited to have Manny here, and we are very excited to have his skateboards. That's why we're holding these skateboards, because these skateboards are now on sale at brailleskateboarding.com. So you guys can go over there, support Manny, and pick up one of his boards, and leave a comment below with what you thought of all the skateboarding and what you want us to see us do at Nexus.
It was amazing. Everything was like first try.
What try?
First.
I'm not quite getting that.
You know, like when you try once. First try!
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, we're super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.